The steak, green beans, and tomato in this recipe are stir-fried and combined with spinach. Fresh, colorful, and fun to eat. This Beef It's What's for Dinner recipe is certified by the American Heart Association. Cut 1 pound of top sirloin steaks lengthwise in half, then crosswise into 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick strips. Combine 2 tablespoons reduced fat balsamic vinaigrette and beef in a medium bowl. Toss to coat. Cover and marinate in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Heat a large nonstick skillet over medium-high heat until hot. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil to the pan. 2 1/2 cups fresh green beans. Stir fry for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup halved grape tomatoes and stir fry an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the beans are crisp tender and the tomatoes begin to brown slightly. Remove from the skillet and season with salt and pepper as desired. Add to the same skillet half of the beef mixture and stir fry 1 to 3 minutes or until the outside surface of the beef is no longer pink. Remove from the skillet and repeat with the remaining beef. Divide 5 cups spinach evenly among 4 plates and top evenly with beef and stir-fried vegetables. Divide 1/4 cup total reduced fat dressing and sprinkle 1/4 cup total Parmesan cheese evenly among the 4 plates. For this recipe and other delicious beef recipes, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.